using military-grade thickened aluminum plates as the deck. It has strong compression and load-bearing capabilities, whether standing, jumping, or fully loaded with equipment. It can maintain a rock-solid state. It has the ability to accelerate quickly, achieving acceleration in just 3 seconds, and can cut through the waves on the water. The specially designed aluminum plates achieve a perfect balance between the rigidity and flexibility of the boat body, allowing it to easily cross shallow reefs and navigate through turbulent rapids as if walking on flat ground. It features a lightweight design, allowing a single person to carry and assemble it, making it convenient to carry and use. From wilderness exploration and water rescue to island fishing and competitive racing, it can be the ultimate tool for conquering the waters in various water activities.